Hello, guys. Welcome to and girls. Welcome to another recap. They ended the day down about 2.45%. Could have been worse, but let's get right to it. So, first one's on Amazon. Now, there's a bull flag here and playing a 30 point out of the money call option, 35.50 call. I get in on the bid. So I'm in at 11.25. We're at 11.50 by 85 right now. Um, so yeah, a couple times today I got on a bid on Amazon and it gave me mental uh, peace and peace of mind, and so um, I enjoy doing that on Amazon whenever I can because it just makes it a lot easier. So I just get out real quick right there because we kind of rejected right there at just above prior day's high. I didn't want to be around too much longer to see what happens because easily get rejected. And we starts to pull back, decent amount more there. It's not feeling it there. So next trade is on Amazon, or the next trade was actually on Boeing, but it was a flat trade. Pulled almost a minute later and flat, so I'm just gonna skip that one. So Amazon again. The trick is, or the catch is, I thought this Facebook chart was Amazon. Okay, we already broke prior day's high. I don't know what I was thinking. I just didn't get enough sleep last night, and yeah, I was basically a zombie. So I'm trading this thinking it's Amazon, and it's Facebook up top here. So I get in on the ask, 996, and I'm even looking at the tape, the level 2 at least, and I think it says 3,000 something, and I'm just looking to see if there's, how fast we're going up or down. And then I see the green chart flying here. I see green coming through on the tape. I'm thinking, and I see that we're moving to the upside. I'm thinking I'm good here, but I notice the price of the contracts, they're not really moving with the price I think, is how they should be moving. So it suddenly dawns on me, oh crap, I'm not trading Facebook. This is the wrong chart. So you'll see here in a second, I already put it in the chart. Totally, yeah, I need to get some sleep. But anyways, um, so yeah, I am just trying to, what I'm doing right now is actually holding and hoping. So I have that trend line there. Now it's going to be my exit if it doesn't work out. So holding and hoping is never a good idea. I don't recommend it. But at the same time, I'm seeing that Facebook's still going higher and Tesla bounced off the lows here, and having FOMO, wishing I was in Tesla instead of being in this chop in Amazon. But I do see this sort of bull pennant, bull flag, whatever you want to call it here, and so I'm hoping. And so yeah, I mean, right now, literally, I'm down. I mean, I'm out about break even right here. And it would have been great to get out there, but that is not what happened. I haven't learned enough of these lessons. When you get in wrong ticker or whatever, it's just my experience is it's best to get right out because it rarely works in my favor whenever it happens. So I'm already down about $90 on the trade. Would have been nice to get out there, but I don't. I'm holding and hoping again more. So I'm out there. So I'm down 173, which is 2.71%, and not too stoked about this take. So next trade, Tesla. Tesla is down at the bottom here, and now ideally I should have played. We had this drop, and then we had a pop up here, and then pull back. that wasn't a pullback. So we will continue. Wrong about that again. I really need sleep, guys. So Tesla here. How to get in? Okay, I get in right there. Yeah, one contract, and stalling. It's not doing what I want it to do. So is not looking good. Days like these when it's just things just don't work. It's just when I should just stop, wait, and get. I'm out right now. Got out, starting to stuff. I should just sit on my hands and wait. If one trade, if it starts to not work out, it's not as easy as it is on like like it has been lately. Then I need to just sit on my hands. So this is what I get for not doing that. So next trade's Amazon in the middle of the middle chart here, and yeah, so we got this. We had this flag pattern, and then we broke out, and then tested the former flag resistance, which is showing now as support, and we started to bounce here. So I go long one contract here, and I'm gonna get in on the bid. I believe. I'm not sure if I got in on the bid there. I think I did twice today on Amazon, but so 980, so 1040. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got on the bid there, but just kind of seeing what it does. It's kind of stalling here. I just got out, took the little small win, down 3.37%, $215. Yeah, and then see it started to stuff there a little bit. So yeah, it can totally go higher, and I'm pretty sure it does. But before going down a lot lower today. But next trade, Tesla, down to the bottom here again. So just playing this high day break. I tried to get in right there. It didn't fill. And I hit get in one more time. Cancel that order, get in one more time. So where I got in for the first contract should have been my second one to add. So what it is. So I'm in the money a little bit here. Pick the profits quickly. Quick profits. I'm out. And now I'm down under 3% on the day, $180, and minus 2.83%. So just to get under that, because yesterday I was up 3.18% or whatever, and today to be down, I was down like here I was down 3.85%. That's not where I want to be, and then so to be under 3% now, I feel good about that. I was trading my P&L a little too much today, which is not good. So that's that one. Then we have this Tesla trade. Playing this play a 700 call here, so I go $20, $19 out of the money. Didn't have much buying power left. So I just basically just played what I could on this one. Not the best setup at all. It goes to show you how tired I was. It does end up working out a little bit, but I can't complain. I mean, it's 19 out of the money, and I do end up getting out for a small win. So it's not going down. I'm thinking it might be going up. So let's see what happens here. There's a lot of volume on these 700 calls today, so we're pretty liquid, and I like that. Let's see what happens. So we got this kind of bull pennant, bull flag looking formation here. As long as we don't break down too much lower, I'll be good. I'm thinking. So, and start to rip. I see that flying. See the tape flying there to the right? There's flying all that green coming through. everybody hitting the ass. So it doesn't quite break, but I think we can get it next push. So yeah, we're starting. I mean, I could. To me, this was obvious. It was going higher. How much higher, I don't know, but I think I can turn this into a somewhat profitable trade. That was what I was thinking. Because the bids didn't step down much. They were. It was just the way the chart was going, or the way the bids and offers were going higher, and they weren't going low. They would go lower, but they wouldn't keep going lower. They'd rebid. That's what I like to see. There we go. Little pop. Thinking there's still more gas in the tank. And there we go. I'm just out. Just take it. I was gonna wait for one more push, but I'm just like, I was a little bit in the money. I made $12 minus commissions. It was like, or I made it. Yeah, it was $12 minus commission. So not much. Just basically crackhead. I could buy a crack rock. It's awesome. So that's so then after that Tesla trade, I had a Amazon trade, which was see if we can see it here. So I had one more trade that was here. Oops, was right. So as you can see here, just had to modify that real quick. I had an Amazon trade that was for the Amazon chart here. So we had off the lows today. We had a 20 point, just about a 20 point move in a little over 5 minutes, and then so I would have played calls to the upside, but I didn't have. I wasn't quick enough to get. I was gonna play this break. Um, I didn't get a strike that I could afford with a little bit of buying power I had. I had like 420 or $430 in buying power left. So what I did was I mapped out this support line here, and I was thinking, okay, we're already extended. So here I was gonna enter puts 3,400 puts about here, but I was like, no, it's not done yet. Then I was gonna do it here. No. So then I played like this pop or this pop or this pop. I think it was no, it was this one because we didn't go any higher after that, but it looked like we were gonna go higher. So here it looked like it was gonna squeeze the way it was acting, and or it potentially could, but my stock was a little bit above the highs right here, and so we get this pop. I sell into the momentum or the momentum drop here. It was 5 point move, but I was so far out of the money. I was out of the money. Was 50 points, so only got made $16.10 on that trade after commissions. So you can see the here 346 to 64. And last trade. So funny story. I was trading Wish in my TOS account on my phone, just bored, watching the market all day, and just kind of got FOMO. Well, 1 minute before market close, right? Actually, 9 seconds before, because you get the entry 12:59:51, and market closes at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So what happened was I didn't realize market was closing, and excuse me, I just get in one Wish 14 call because of the daily chart here. This middle right here. By the way, this is what I see on my main 4K monitor when I trade. This monitor is my main focus. Um, So I was playing the break right here, 14, and so I bought one call, and then all of a sudden the market closed. I couldn't understand why all the quotes went away. I even reconnected to my market data, and I didn't get it. It took me 2 minutes to realize, like 104, 105 when I realized it. But Anyways, I made one Wish $14 call at 81 cents, and it started to squeeze higher in after hours. So 1 minute chart up here, started to drop a little bit, but it looks like it might want to go higher because we're consolidating under 15. Now, a break of 15 gets us to, I have from 1490, kind of where we, right where we kind of stopped there, to about 21. That I'm going to be quote unquote worried about. So, but if we get above 1550s, got room. It's, I don't know. I think we can get it here because yeah, this can start really. My opinion. I like this. Or I just didn't. For some reason, I really. I'll say it one more time. I really need sleep because I don't know why. And I remember watching this. I checked the chart very so often since it IPO'd or had. I think it was an IPO. I've been watching. I saw it go up. I traded it like one times on the way up, and I sell off for a while, months. Now, for some reason, saw this. I thought this was all time high. So I was all stoked about this. It's not so great when you out here. Can be. Hey, I mean, anything's possible, but it's basically a gamble. So I'm swinging the 14 call. So the most I can lose is 81 bucks. I'm not. Ideally, I like to make. It's an accident. I didn't mean to. So, anyways, hope you found some value in this recap, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow's better. I hope everyone had a great day trading, and please hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoy this content at all, and if you'd like to see more of it. And also the notifications bell, and appreciate any support for the channel very much. Hit every viewer, and yeah, if you'd like to see something different or like me to cover anything, please feel free to leave a comment below. And take care. Bye bye.